Welcome to today's lecture in our Tourism and Hospitality series. In this session, we will explore an essential backbone of any successful destination management. Have you ever wondered who takes care of a tourist destination, making sure it's welcoming, organized, and sustainable? Well, that's where destination management comes in. So, what is destination management? Destination management is the strategic coordination of all the elements that make up a tourism destination. That includes attractions, accommodations, transportation, marketing, and even the local community. It's about more than just attracting tourists. It's about creating a balanced, memorable experience that benefits everyone: the visitor, the business, and the local resident. Now let's dive into who manages a destination. The task of managing a destination usually falls to destination management organizations, or DMOs. These could be tourism boards, government agencies, or public-private partnerships. Their job? To promote, develop, and protect the destination, while aligning everyone's interests. Now let's look into the key elements of destination management. First, strategic planning. This means setting long-term goals for tourism development. Second, stakeholder collaboration. This involves working with local businesses, governments, and communities. Third, sustainability. Protecting and minimizing negative impacts on the environment and culture. Fourth, visitor experience. Ensuring people leave with unforgettable memories. And fifth, crisis management. Being prepared for unexpected events like pandemics or disasters. When all these parts come together, you have a destination that thrives, not just in tourism numbers, but in quality, resilience, and local pride. So why is destination management important, you might think? Why go through all this trouble? Well, without proper destination management, tourism can become chaotic, leading to over-tourism, environmental damage, cultural exploitation, and unhappy visitors. But with a well-managed destination, everyone benefits. The local economy grows, visitors enjoy a better experience, the environment and culture are preserved for future generations. To sum it up, destination management is about creating a balanced, sustainable, and competitive tourism destination that benefits both tourists and locals. Thanks for joining today's lecture. In future videos, we'll explore case studies of successful destinations and talk more about the challenges and strategies in this field. So, if you're serious about a career in tourism or hospitality, or just love learning about how the industry works, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.